Let's bring you this story. The heavy rain that drenched the Eastern Cape has now subsided. The good news for the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro is that dam levels have risen to 65%, a remarkable turnaround considering the Metro recently emerged from an 8-year drought. The bad news, however, is that many families living in low-lying areas are struggling in the wake of the floods. Ronald Masinda explains.
Bronwyn Pulani has been living in an informal settlement in eNCA in Green Bushes for the past 20 years. She has described her living conditions as a health hazard.
Look like we are worse than animals, because the animals are even afraid of the water, and it's not healthy. And we're staying here so long, and they do nothing.
Fundiswa Kamani has been a resident here for nearly 25 years. She says temporary shelter was offered to residents who were affected by the rain, but many of them were reluctant to leave their homes.
Izindlu zethu sizashiya ngasemva bhuti sizawuqhekezwa ngamaphara amaphara lapha ayaqhekeza bhuti aqhiba sibele indaba every day ezi aziba zisashiye jinga even nangoku lamanzi angayenza into because of angaqhalwa namhlanje intambo sasiyajinga abantwana bahambe apha bachokwe bafe.
The Nelson Mandela Bay municipality says it is still assessing some of the damages caused by the heavy rain, with mop-up operations still continuing.
From a disaster management perspective, we're looking at disaster mitigation, and part of that would be to move people away from these areas. It's definitely, it's not an ideal situation. People are exposed to various hazards, including health hazards.
Residents here say that the recent rain has reminded them of the appalling living conditions. Ronald Masinda, Gqeberha.